The popularity of fitness is growing worldwide every year. In recent years, there's been a notable trend toward CrossFit. CrossFit is an intense circuit training program designed for the harmonious development of the entire body and for shedding excess weight. In this video, I'll explain what CrossFit is, discuss the benefits it brings to your body, and cover the basic rules of CrossFit training. So stick around until the end, it's going to be interesting. Let's get started. CrossFit originated about 20 years ago in the USA and quickly gained popularity. It involves a high-intensity training system based on several disciplines, including weightlifting, kettlebell lifting, gymnastics, aerobics, strongman exercises, and more. While CrossFit is similar to regular circuit training, its exercises are constantly repeated, and you must complete a set number of circuits to succeed. Training sessions can last from 15 to 60 minutes, and not everyone can endure them. The primary goal of CrossFit is the comprehensive strengthening of the human body. If your aim is the balanced development of your entire body, CrossFit is perfect for you. It's also ideal for anyone looking to sculpt their physique, engage in competition, push personal limits, or simply maintain an active lifestyle. Many former professional athletes have transitioned to CrossFit and are excelling in this discipline. Even if you've never played sports before but want to start, CrossFit is an excellent option. Beginners can quickly advance to become amateur athletes. However, it's wise to consult a professional trainer or instructor before beginning. Additionally, CrossFit is perfect for strong-willed and determined individuals who are eager to try something new. It offers a unique chance to develop both physically and mentally. CrossFit's universal appeal makes it suitable for both men and women, as well as professionals and beginners alike. The main difference lies in training intensity and weights used. If someone struggles with a particular exercise, substitutions are available. As athletes improve, the intensity of CrossFit training can increase. Let's evaluate the pros and cons of CrossFit. Starting with the advantages. It significantly improves the cardiovascular system, enhances endurance, and strengthens all muscle groups. Metabolism improves, sleep quality increases, and you'll feel refreshed and energized. Flexibility improves, and the risk of injury decreases. With proper nutrition and a healthy lifestyle, CrossFit can be an effective way to lose weight and develop athletic strength. Over time, you'll find yourself running, jumping, and lifting weights with ease. Now onto the disadvantages. As a universal training system, CrossFit doesn't specialize in excelling in one specific discipline. For example, you might not run the fastest, jump the highest, or lift the heaviest weights. CrossFit can also be quite risky. Its high-intensity nature makes proper technique crucial to avoid injuries. The cardiovascular system is exposed to intense strain, so moderation is key. It's important to avoid training on a full or empty stomach. A protein carb meal is recommended beforehand. During workouts, take breaks of 2 to 3 minutes between exercises. A diet rich in vegetables, greens, nuts, and lean meats is ideal, while sugar-containing products should be avoided. This diet provides the energy needed for training. CrossFit isn't recommended daily. Beginners should aim for 3 sessions a week. Only professionals can handle frequent, intense loads. Regardless of experience level, taking breaks is essential to allow for recovery and prevent overstressing the body. By the way, friends, make sure to check out other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen now. See you soon.